G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are doing a Lego penna, which is a viewer's original recipe from Ando.
Give me penne alla arrabbiata or you shall die, and you, and everyone in this canteen.
This recipe calls for vodka, Malibu, Grenadine and some snakes. Into a shaker, add heaps of ice, 1 shot of vodka, 1 shot of Malibu, and drizzle in some Grenadine. And shake it like a Polaroid picture. Add some ice into your glass. Garnish with some red snakes. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.